Thunder, are you okay?
Put pressure. Skylar, stand where I am.
Skylar, are you okay?
Stand
Is it
up.
that serious? Why are you laughing? You okay?
No. She was like this. Alright, watch, I'm gonna show you.
No, I didn't.
Alright, go.
Alright. She was like this.
Sit down. I have a cramp in my calf.
A gramp?
Call the ambulance.
He's the gramp.
Like this.
He's a gramp.
He's a cramp.
Man, that was hella funny. I should have been here. She was like this. She sat down. She said,
Double cramp.
oh, dang. Oh, stretch out first.
Stretch
Make
it.
sure you stretch.
Don't pull a muscle.
Oh, man.
It's pretty funny.
Hey, there's something on my leg.
Hitchhike right here. Ready, go.
Hold on. Like this.
Go.
See my leg?
Hey, nigga! I almost tripped off the curb.
She was sitting here for a minute and just.
Thank you for
Hey, you did that. See the white people?
Wow.
Skylar, are you okay? If you make it here.
Get it close.
Hey, is it Mary or Sue? What's your name? Do I stand a chance with you? So hard to find a personality with sounds like yours. Ooh.
Oh, what about this one?
Oh wow.
I'll change it.
I wanna lick you.
What about this one?
Too much and that was
So you want to touch?
touch. Sorry. Hello. Oh my gosh. Hey, there goes Big Worm. Smokey. Hi, free ice cream. You fired. Gibbon. Why does it shine so deep? Cut so deep. Somebody tell me. Celestia, alofa, matamafai, a fight for Elei, say Talimai, Wavepea, strangely, while my heart beats faster when I see you run. Hey!
Are you some kind of an angel of love?
Yeah, look at the cameraman. You're the only one.
We are really in the Publix.
Take me away and out.
Fire!
Hey, hold on. That's the right words.
Say so.
I don't know. I do know the song, I just don't know the words by heart.
trick you.
Oh shit!
Stop that, stupid.
I'm not talking to you.
What? Wait. It's filming.